Ethereum may grow 2.5% by July 24, according to Gov Capital Collector. Let's start with the current setup and see how the chart is moving. As we speak, Ethereum has gone down 0.8% and is sitting around $1,921.11. We now turn to the analyst predictions. Gov Capital Collector expects the price to reach $1,967.41 by July 24, which would be a gain of nearly 2.5%. Ethereum might move up to $1,939 according to 30 rates. That's roughly 1% up. CoinCodex notes it may push higher toward $1,931.68, a rise close to 0.6%. Another outlook from CoinDataFlow highlights Ethereum may head down to $1,867.76, a decrease close to 2.7%. We've reviewed 5 outlooks for tomorrow. Time to continue. After going through all 4 forecasts, here's the numeric view. The combined outlook suggests movement anywhere from a decline of 2.7% to an increase of 2.5%. As the data shows, CoinDataFlow offers the top projected return with 2.7% growth in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $6 and $27 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of odds, CoinCodex ranks highest with an 82.8% chance of success. Taking into account all 4 forecasts, I've put together one overall consensus scenario. From the consensus perspective, Ethereum appears steady around $1,926.46. Here's a closer look at the numbers. Consensus projections indicate a 0.3% increase by tomorrow. Under those conditions, your capital may also show an increase of roughly 0.3%. On every 1,000, this scenario could mean $3 of upside. And overall, this consensus outcome for Ethereum is given a probability of 84.8%. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. The short-term signal from Gov Capital Collector is clearly bullish. Similarly, 30 rates anticipates Ethereum following a bullish course. Similarly, CoinCodex notes that Ethereum could push higher. CoinDataFlow describes the near-term path as bearish. By merging all analyst projections, the consensus suggests potential for Ethereum to push higher over the coming 3 days. At this point, 75% of analysts expect Ethereum to move higher, reflecting a clear bullish bias. 2 days ago, 4 forecasts were posted. Now we'll see how they compared with the actual price. As a result, the actual move took the price to $1,934.21. 2 out of 4 analysts ended up correct about the trend. If precision is what counts, Coin Price Forecast had the best result. Let's see the breakdown. Only one analyst outlook aligned with the trading range. Regarding ROI, several results showed gains. Coin Price Forecast was the strongest performer with 0.4%. And here's the daily recap. The full picture of forecast accuracy in one frame. For reference, CoinDataFlow posted a forecast probability of 76.2%, $31.74 accuracy, and minus 0.1% ROI. See which forecasts matched the market movement most precisely. Now take a look at how Ethereum ranks in tomorrow's expected profitability among several cryptocurrencies. At 4th spot is Ethereum, while Bonk indicates 1.5% possible gain. Here Ethereum is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more is already ready on my website. If this gave you a better picture of the market, show some support with a like and subscription. If you found that valuable, hit like and subscribe for tomorrow's forecast. Have a great day!